Do an unboxing of my Neewer microphone. I actually ordered it on eBay, but interestingly enough, it came from Amazon, and I think that the reason why is, and hey, if this is another idea you get, more power to you. I think the person probably sold it on eBay for a little bit more than they could get it on Amazon. Good for them, and had it drop shipped directly to me. So hey, maybe that's a business idea for you. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, so inside here, box is much bigger than the actual microphone box is inside. Take the microphone box and put it over here and open up from here. I don't see any kind of tape or anything on the front, so kind of to hold it closed. Just trying to feel here if that's a mark from tape or not. Okay, flip that open. Open this. You get a instruction book, it would appear. So that's going to tell you about the microphone itself, frequency, and all that. And tells you what comes in the box: microphone, shock-proof stand, wind-proof cover, manual, warranty card, so on. There's your frequency response right there, omnidirectional, and nothing on the other side of the paper. So we'll put that aside. Then you have your windscreen, definitely thin and nothing special about it. Looks kind of bent in a little bit, but that's okay. And then here you have your XLR to 3.5mm headphone jack type of deal. So put that aside. And then here is the microphone right here. And I don't think there's anything else in the box. But nope, and that's it. So just gonna open this up. And there it is, Neewer NW-800. Gold all around there. And nothing on this side, just on this side. And then there's your XLR connector. And we'll try to plug this in real quick, see how it goes. And put that in right there. Goes like that. Okay. Interestingly, there's a little notch over on the side here, but that has nothing to do with anything. So that's it. That's the setup. And put the little windscreen on here. See if I can do that also with one hand while holding the camera. And that's that. So in my hand, that's what it feels like. And I just noticed that there is no shock mount in the box. So I will have to find out why and potentially return this. But thanks for watching for now, and once I get the whole thing set up correctly, because like I said, I may have to return this, nothing else in the box, I'll go ahead and do a microphone test. So thanks for watching my video so far, and we'll go from there.